Hi friends, my name is Sercan Kilavuz. I'm an English teacher and today we are going to deal with mapped learning outcomes part 7, and this is part 7 and the first question is Stephanie is a great student and he blah blah studies his school subject on time, and we will complete this sentence with our options. And never studies his school subjects on time. Great students. Never studies, no. Rarely, no. Seldom, no. Hardly ever, no. And always, yes. Stephanie is a great student, and that means he always studies his school subjects on time. Yes. The second question, I live in Istanbul and my sister lives in Kars, so we blah blah see each other. Yes, Istanbul and Kars. Yes. And generally, no. Always, no. Often, no. Hardly ever, yes. Usually, no. And the correct option is D, because Istanbul and Kars are far away from each other, right? West side, east side, and we have 1,000 kilometers, as you know. And let's come to the 3. Jessica is a chatty girl. She talks for a long time. That means she talks much or can't. We don't know. She can, can't, able to, be able to, cannot. Chatty girl. Chatty girl means talks all the time, gossips all the time, and she can talk for a long time. Okay guys, and let's come to the part 4. There are lots of buildings in Istanbul, and after some of the houses are full water. After what? Full water. After what? And heavy rains? Maybe. Volcanic eruption? No. How can it be drought? No. How can it be earthquake? No. Avalanche? No. And it is heavy rain, because full water, heavy rains are about water. Okay guys? And let's come to the 5. If a large amount of snow falls quickly down the mountains, we call it, yes, snow falls quickly down the mountains, we call it what? Volcanic eruption? No. Snow. Tsunami? No. Avalanche? Yes. This is avalanche. Hurricane? No. Drought? No. But this is avalanche. Okay. And let's come to the 6. Is a huge and powerful wave after an earthquake. Is a huge and powerful wave after an earthquake. Yes, the point is earthquake, and the answer is drought, no. Volcanic eruption, maybe. Tsunami, maybe. Avalanche, maybe. Hurricane, no. And tsunami and volcanic eruption, but volcanic eruption is high potential, and it is volcanic eruption, guys. And let's come to the 7. Yes, in 7 we have a picture. Yes, we have a picture, a car in a water, and it's about to sink. And yes, what kind of natural disaster can we see in the picture? Yes, what kind of natural disaster? And drought, no. Volcanic eruption, no. On the other hand, landslide, no. Avalanche, no. And it is flood. As you see, this is a picture from flood. As you see, car about to sink, and flood, and Noah flood. Please make contact with this historical event. And yes, let's come to the 8. And when we see a natural disaster like in the picture, after a sudden explosion of volcanic eruption, no. After a long period when there's little or no rain, no. After a sudden violent movement of Earth's surface, no. After a large amount of water with heavy rain. Yes, heavy rains are the key point of floods, guys, as you see. And this one is also wrong. And let's come to the part 9. Yes, we have a paragraph and we will do these questions with this paragraph, and the option is: Austin is a doctor. He looks after ill people. He usually gets up at 6 o'clock. Today he is late. It is 6:30 and he is still in bed. He usually goes to work by bus, but today he is driving to work. He arrives at work 6:30 every morning, but it is 7:30 now and he is still driving. It is 2 o'clock now. He always has his lunch at 12, but today he isn't having lunch at 12, and he is looking after his patients. It is 7:30 now. Austin is watching TV. He usually watches TV at 7:30 because his favorite program starts at 7:30. Austin has dinner. Austin has his dinner at 6:30 every day, and he is having dinner now. It is 20 now. Austin is going to bed. He always goes to bed at 20. And what time does Austin usually get up? As you see, the answers are hidden in this paragraph. Okay, the answers are hidden in this paragraph, and guys, and the correct option is: what time does Austin usually get up? 6:30? No, no, no. And gets up 6 o'clock and gets up at 6, and this is correct. And why is he driving to work today? Because he can drive a car. No, not the correct answer, I think. And because he is late today, maybe. Today is important for him. No, he can't ride a bike. No, no. And it is B, as you see. And 11, does he watch TV in the evening? Does he watch TV in the evening? He doesn't like TV programs. No, he is a television addict. No. Yes, he does. Yes. No, he doesn't. No. Yes, he doesn't. No. Yes, and he doesn't. After positive we have positive, guys, like this, and it is C. And let's come to the 12. How often does he get up at 6? Never gets up early. No. No, he gets up at 7. No. He is late. No. Rarely. No. He usually gets up at 6, and as you see, he usually gets up at 6 o'clock. While doing these questions, you should read the paragraph once more. Okay, guys, it is helpful for you, I think. And this is the end of our session, part 7, and up to next session, and see you and goodbye. Thank you for watching and listening, by the way.